If you think your car payment is just a monthly note, you've already lost. What you really signed up for is a financial prison sentence dressed up with leather seats and a cup holder. Today, I'm breaking down the car loan trap, interest rates, financing, down payments, and dealer fees. All the stuff they don't want you to think about before they hand over the keys. Smash a like on the video so YouTube knows that you enjoy me roasting America's favorite financial disaster, car loans. Now, we're going to talk about the illusion of monthly payments. Dealers sell you the monthly payment, not the car. Stretching out loans to 72 and now 84 months. By the time you own it, the car is worth less than the French fries you dropped under the seat. They don't care if you can afford the car. They just want to see if your paycheck survives long enough for the repo man to find you. All right. And on interest rates balloon the total cost of the car. Most people don't pay attention to the interest rate because they only think about the monthly payment. For example, if you have a $30,000 car with a 9% interest rate over 72 months, the total cost is over $38,000. You pay an additional $8,000 on that car without even realizing it. And here's the worst part. When you do zero down and you put no interest for 6 months, this is a financial trap. The dealers are doing this so that they can reset you into a sky-high APR later. Interest rates are front-loaded on every single auto loan. This means that you pay a majority of the interest in the first 2 years. So none of your monthly payment is even going down towards the principal. That's why it feels like the car payment is lasting longer than your previous relationship. The down payment illusion. Why the dealer loves your down payment? It lowers their risk, not yours. Most people think that when they do a down payment on a vehicle, that the money goes into the equity of the car. This is not true. For example, putting $5,000 on the car doesn't mean you own more of the car. It just means you've prepaid your loss when depreciation kicks in. Most cars depreciate 20 to 30% in the first 2 years. So depreciation coupled with front-loaded interest means that you have already lost all your equity. And in fact, you're in negative equity as soon as you drive off the lot. And that means that you've just made it easier for the bank to take your car and still come out ahead when you default, when you put a down payment. Your down payment, all of it, and I mean all of it, goes to the bank, not the equity of your car. Let's talk about dealer fees and add-ons. Dealer fees, delivery fees, VIN edging, dealer prep, extended warranties. All of these are fees that are added to increase the total cost of the car without any additional value. Buying a car is the only time in your life that you're going to get hit with a $500 charge just for the privilege of signing paperwork that you didn't even read. This is why it is all a trap. You couple dealer fees, down payment illusions, interest rates and financing, and the illusion of monthly payments puts you underwater right away. There is no other financial product that is set to deceive people more than the car loan trap. You're paying more for a depreciating asset. I want you to think about that. You are paying more for a depreciating asset. Cars lose 20 to 30% of their value in the first 2 years. Meanwhile, you're locked into a monthly car payment that outlives the car's usefulness. You're locked into a monthly payment that front loads the interest payment, and you're locked into a monthly payment for 72 to 84 months. Now you can no longer get out of the vehicle as soon as you get in. There's no exit strategy for you. There's no exit plan for you. You're simply just stuck. Instead of driving the car loan trap, make other people pay off your vehicles. Make other people pay you to drive your car. All right. The car loan trap is a financial quicksand. And the harder that you struggle, the deeper you sink in. Car loans aren't freedom. Car loans are chains. Break the cycle. Make sure that you own these assets outright. On this channel, I teach people how to own their vehicles, how to own the title, own the asset that pays you. Stop being the dealership's ATM. If you want to learn how to turn the car loan trap upside down, subscribe to the channel, hit a like on this video. We teach people how to start and scale their private car rental business. So unless you've been living under a rock, check out my other videos and make sure that you turn your depreciating asset into a cash flowing asset.